Welcome students to your channel pariksha.com. Easy to understand, easy to learn. I am Indranil and today I am going to discuss about ISRO Civil 2018 question paper and detailed solution. This is the ninth part of this video segment and I will discuss one non-technical question or engineering mathematics question and others are technical question. सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी टाइम वेस्ट किए. In the first question says that a rectangular sheet of metal of length 6 meter and width 2 meter is given. 4 equal squares are removed from the corners. The sides of this sheet are now turned up from an open rectangular box. The height of the box such that the volume of the box is maximum will be. So here we need to calculate the volume of the particular box. Okay, the height of the box such that the volume of the box is maximum. Now first of all we need to draw the diagram first. So the diagram will be looks like that. It will be a rectangular section whose width is 2 meter, okay, and the length is 6 meter. 4 equal squares are removed from the corners. 4 equal squares I must draw in the corners, okay. So let the sides of that square is A. The four sides will be A, both sides are A. So we need to calculate this length. So this length will be 2 minus 2A, okay, and we need to calculate this particular vacant length which is 6 minus 2A. Now we need to calculate what is volume. So volume will be the vacant space 6 minus 2A into 2 minus 2A into A. Okay. So then the volume will be 12A minus 60A square 16A square plus 4AQ. Now as we all know that for maximum volume dV by dA will be equals to 0. That means 12 minus 32A plus 12A square equals to 0. Now finding out from that quadratic equation the value of A will be 0.45 meter. Okay, so the correct answer will be in this question option number A, which is 45 centimeters. Now proceeding to the next question. In the second question says that the properties of segment of a rectangle will be. We need to calculate the proportion of second moment of area about the centroidal axis and about the base of a particular geometry which is rectangular. So this is rectangular section, as you all know, CG passes through the this is a rectangular section passes through the CG and the depth is d by 2 from the neutral axis and this depth is d. Okay. Now the second moment of area about the centroidal axis will be I CG will be B d cube by 12. Okay, this is parallel to its width, that means parallel to its x-axis. Now the second moment of area about base, I about base will be ICG plus A into R square, as you all know from the theorem. Okay, A is the area of the section and R is the distance of CG from base. Now I about the base will be, which is B d cube by 12 plus B d into d by 2 into d by 2. Okay, so that means the second moment of area about the base will be 4b d cube by 12. So the ratio will be 0.25. bd cube by 12 to 4bd cube by 12. The ratio will be 0.25. The correct option will be 0.25, option number A. Okay, when a body moves around a fixed axis, when a body moves around a fixed axis, it has a circular motion. The correct option will be option number B, a circular motion. Circular motion, the body has a fixed central point and remains equidistant from it at given position. Whereas rotary motion is the spinning movement of the body about an own axis. It is a circle. This is the midpoint. Okay, this is the axis. When a body moves around a fixed axis, then the motion is, as you can see, which is circular motion. Rotary motion is the spinning movement of the body about its own axis. Okay, keep in mind that. Now proceeding to the next question. If G1 and G2 are the gravitational acceleration on two mountains A and B respectively, then the weights of body when transported from A to B will be multiplied by, okay, so weight of the body WA on A is mg1. Okay, weight of the body on B, which is mg2. So therefore it is a factor of G2 by G1 to the ratio of WA to WB. So the correct option will be option number D, factor to the G2 by G1. Okay. So thank you for today. If you like my video, then please subscribe our channel and do share and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you.